Welcome to the Yukon in North 61. I looking for a 6.5 foot push paddle, which is a little sturdier version of a paddle for a freighter canoe, for being able to use as a pole, and also being able to stand up and use as a paddle, and also sit down and use as a paddle with a lot of leverage, especially when you have a big load. So you can't really buy those paddles unless you maybe went and bought a paddleboard paddle, but they're kind of thin. And so we make them out of 2x8s, and I decided to try this new Agelsjon Haltifor's mini axe, and really controllable, really great woodworking tool. Let's take a look at step one, where we just rough out our blank.
It was a bit tougher, but not really a challenge.
Got an edge of the knot there. When I selected this 2x8, it was impossible to get some that didn't have knots in it, but I tried to get the knots not in the middle.
Probably smart. Yeah, other than that, and
that's the only bad knot.
That's not really a big deal.
We'll use that knot to give figure to the handle. Notice the knot there. The knot is dangerous because it has grain that goes circular, so I'm going to have to be really careful there not to thin it out too much, but I'm still okay. So this is the very rough blank of the paddle from a 2x8. This little guy, totally great because it's totally controllable. And you don't have that handle in the way, and you can stroke up and use it like a plane. It's quite a woodworking tool. Very impressive. The Haltifors, made in Sweden, 1 pound head. Really great.